Hello there. Are you a student looking for hands-on experience with real projects and guaranteed internship? Do you want a complete package that includes practical training, internships, and help getting ready for the job placements? Look no further. Coincent is here to help you succeed. We understand the challenges faced by students like you, lots of classes, tricky assignments, and pressure of college life. To address this, we have introduced an innovative solution, a platform designed to give you live industrial training, projects, internship, and preparation for the job placement. Our platform offers a curated content tailored to your specific domain, ensuring you have right resources at your fingertips. From live interactive sessions to the video lectures and comprehensive study guides, we have got all your needs covered. Students using the coincent platform have seen a big improvement in their job placements. Some have even used these projects as their main or a final college project. Join the group of successful students who have reached their academic potential with us. Ready to start your journey to the better academic future? Sign up with coincent today and see your own transformation. Explore the path of the academic excellence by visiting to our website www.coincent.ai. And remember, participating in these industrial exposure opportunities not only enhances your competency but also increases your chances of securing the best job. Register now and boost your learning experience by working on the project and internships. Thank you.